Let me guess. More ice cream.
Alex, your fridge is judging me again. It's a fridge, bro. It doesn't judge. Dude, it just said, let me guess, more ice cream. It's the Smart Fridge app. It tells you what you already know. But why is it judging me? It tracks calories, not your soul. But what if it's evolving? What if it becomes sentient?
I won't.
Then I guess I'll be overcharged for water too. Not the water!
May I suggest vegetables?
See? It talked! Just eat some veggies, bro. Well, great. Appliance Lord, please accept this offering. It's a fridge, bro. You don't need a sacrifice.